y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This question, first question is elimination of answer option. But there are theta questions where answer options will not be given. Unless you are not good in fundamentals, you will not be able to solve the questions. Next, this is a question based on algebra, variable based questions. This is a question based on variables, algebra based question. This question also I eliminated answer options because I wanted to give you an 360 degrees perspective of what you should do if answer options are present, what you should not do, right? If answer options are not there, answer options are not there. Please read the question. If A, B, C are three positive integer means they are natural numbers. A, B, C are natural numbers. A, B, C are natural numbers. What is the expression? Seems like a difficult question. ABC plus AB plus AC plus BC plus A plus B plus C plus A plus B plus C. It is 1000. It is 1000. How many terms are there? How many terms are there on the left hand side? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 terms are there on the left hand side. If you little bit understand the definition of a binomial expansion, you will get it very easily. But before that, I wanted to explain you some important key points. Not only to solve this problem, a lot of other problems, these key points will be useful. These key points will be useful. What are that key points? First thing is 7 into 11 into 13. 7 into 11 into 13. It is 1001. 7 into 11 into 13. It is 1001. Second one, 37 into 27. 37 into 27. It is 999. Please write down. 37 into 27. It is 999. I will give you an explanation. Little more, if he wants to make it difficult, he can give you these two also. 73 into 137. 271 into 41. 271 into 41. 71 into 137 and 271 into 41. Let us do what is 271 into 41. 271 into 41 is 40 plus 1. 0, 1 4s are 4. It is 108 plus 271. 271. 1, 1, 1, 1. It is 5 ones. It is 5 ones. 271 into 41. It is 5 ones. Let us see what is 73 into 137. 73 into 137. 73. 70 plus 3 into 137. 70 plus 3 into 137. Try to do, sir. 137 into 7 is 7 7s are 49. It is 959. 70 it is 0 plus 9590 plus 137 3s are, so it is 411. 411. So here it will be, right? How much it is? 137 into 3. 3 7s are 21, 39 plus 2, 41. It is 411. 411 means it is 1000. 1000. Please write down, sir. Right? So 73 into 137. These number multiplications are very, very important, sir. Number multiplications are very, very important. 73 into 137. 73 I did it as 70 plus 3 into 137. 137 into 70 is 7 7s are 41. 9590 plus 411. 1 9 plus 1 10. It is 1001. 10,001. It is 10,001. It is 10,001. 1001 we got it as 7 into 11 into 13. Please put a star mark on these 4. I will explain you the importance of these 4, right? So 7 into 11 into 13, 37 into 27, 73 into 137, 271 into 41. Please write down its importance. Please write down its importance. Divisibility rule for 73, which you will not find in any of the regular textbooks. Divisibility rule for first one 73 and 137. What is the divisibility rule for 73 and 137? 73 and 137. Now if you see here 73 it is 1 followed by 73 into 137 is 10,001. 73 into 137 is 10,001. This is what we know. 73 into 137 is 10,001. Now if you see 10,000 means 1 followed by 4 zeros. So it is 10 means 1 followed by 1 zero. 10 square means 1 followed by 2 zeros. 10 cube means 1 followed by 3 zeros. It is 10 power 4 divided by 73. 10 power 4 divided by 73. This can be written as remainder 1. 10 power 4 is 10 square into 10 square divided by 73. 73 ones are 73. 100. Remaining is 27. Here also it is 27. 27 square is 729. 729 divided by 73. 73 tens are 73. What is the negative remainder? Minus 1. 10 power 4 divided by 73, it is minus 1. Very, very important, sir. If the question is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 divided by 73. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 divided by 73. Now listen carefully, sir. What is the divisibility rule of 73? Start from rightmost. Take a group of 4 digits, alternatively plus minus. 1, 2, 3, 4 minus 1, 2, 3, 4. It is 0. 1, 2, 3, 4 minus 1, 2, 3, 4. It is 0. Please write down in your notes. What is the divisibility rule of 73 and 137? Start from rightmost. Take a group of 4 digits, alternatively plus minus. Alternatively plus minus. Suppose if the question is 1002, 1003, 1004 divided by 73. Take a group of 3 digits. Take a group of 4 digits. Alternatively plus minus. 1004 minus 1003 is 1. 1 plus 1002 is 1003. So 1003 divided by 73. Whatever the answer that you get, that itself. 73 ones are 73. Remaining is 273. 273 means 73 fours are 292. That means it is minus 19. Negative remainder minus 19. Positive remainder, add it with the denominator. 73 minus 19 is 54. I hope the idea it is clear. That is the reason I said these multiplications are